today's video we are going to learn how we can change crosshair size, which you can see on your display. That is one plus sign with one small rectangle in between that. This we call crosshair. How we will change this size from small to bigger or end to end, which cover complete screen. Before proceeding to video, we have a small request. Please support us. For supporting us, you have to just subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to keep getting updates of our upcoming videos. You can see on your working window there is a one plus sign, which is our crosshair, which allow us to select or draw any line on the screen. This is very now this we have I have in my AutoCAD. This is a very small cursor. If you want to change this to end, you can complete like from end to end. We can do this from end to end also, or you can reduce this to like this. Right, current now this is this much. You can reduce to or very small, like only this much. For that we have to go to the options menu of AutoCAD. But for going on option menu, we will select on the AutoCAD icon and we will go down. There is the options. I will use this method also, or we can type in command prompt OP and press the enter. The same window will open. In this window, we will go click on the display button. In display, we will go down. There you can see one in right side. There you can see crosshair size. In crosshair size, you can type the size also, or there is one drag button. You can drag this also on the left to right. Left will be reduce the size. Right will be increase the size. I just showing an example of increasing size. I will go to the right and this will convert this to 100%. After that I will click on the OK button. Now you can see our cursor is went from end to end and now is covering the 100% area of screen. This was the small video how to change crosshair size in AutoCAD. If you learned something or enjoy this video, please like and share with colleagues and friends. And thanks for subscribing our channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.